ولكن في كون فورية شرعية. It's not proven to say this, Sistani. How? He says that fawri, instantaneousness, is two types. One is religious evidence indicates that you have to go. So this is called religious instantaneousness. One is no, intellectual evidences indicate that you have to go. And that is called intellectual instantaneousness. Okay? Fawri shar'i, fawri aqli. So how will we know religious? If the religious evidences, Quran and Hadith, indicated instantaneousness, then it is religious. That means you will be punished. You will be punished. And the other one is intellectual. Religious, there is no evidence telling you to go. But the intellectual, they say the Hajj is important and it's a pillar of Islam. And when it becomes wajib, you have to perform it. In case next year you are not able to perform it. So the intellectual concepts, they indicate that if you feel that next year you won't be able to perform it, then perform it this year. So Sayyid Sistani says, this instantaneousness, is it religious as majority of the scholars indicated, or it is intellectual from the basis of precaution, is a precautionary measure that if you don't take it now, you will miss it, you will be deprived, so that your wajib is not interrupted without any excuse, then you would deserve punishment. So he says, now there are two opinions. One is religious, one is precautionary. So he says, wajhan, that is also a reliable instantaneousness. This is also an accepted instantaneousness. Ahwatuhuma al-awwal. Okay, based on precautionary measures, whatever the mashhur ulama says, that's a precaution. Yes, do it this year. Wa aqwahuma al-thani. And my fatwa goes with intellectual necessity. To me, that is not a precaution. That is my fatwa. Intellectually, there are probabilities that might encounter and prevent you from performing the Hajj next year. So do it now. Intellectual fatwa. فَإِذَا لَمْ يُبَادِرْ إِلَيْهِ مِنْ دُونِ الْوُثُوقِ بِإِتْيَانَهِ. So if he did not go immediately for Hajj, okay, and he doesn't have any assurances that he will be able to do it later on, then he will be considered mutajarri.